So let's take a look at how to log into the Softlayer portal. We'll type in our username and also the password that's auto-generated when we create the cloud instance or the computing instance for this Linux server. So on the dashboard for the Softlayer Data Center, we can select the one computing instance that we're working with. Here it's called lamp3.mikhail.biz. What we're looking for is the public IP address. So in Google Chrome, we can right-click and say Go To, and this brings us to the default website for the server. Now, WHM will take us to the cPanel login, and first we'll log in as root. And remember that the password is stored on the portal, so we'll copy that to the clipboard, and then we'll paste that in. So there's a tight integration between Softlayer and cPanel. So let's create a new account. We'll set this up as rootbeer.mikhail.biz. We'll assign a password. And we'll double check the spelling of that password. And then an email address that we'll get notifications sent to. Okay, we're going to select options manually, and we'll save this as a package so that we can reuse these settings in the future. We'll call it root beer package with a lowercase b. Alright, so there are only a couple of settings that we're going to change from the default. We're going to say use a dedicated IP address that's auto-assigned. We're going to enable the SPF email setting and then auto-detect which email server to use. Now once the account is set up, we're going to copy and paste this content over to the Apple Notes. So we'll highlight this, copy it to the clipboard, control right arrow to the Notes application that's already open. We'll give this a label. We'll call it rootbeer.mikhail.biz, and that'll be the label that we see on the left, and we'll paste that content from the clipboard. And what we're looking for is the IP address that was auto-assigned to this new website and hosting account. So for the hosting account, a Unix account called rootbeer was automatically created, and we can log in with SSH to that server at the IP address that was assigned, auto-assigned. And the first time, yes, we'll activate the RSA key. We'll type in our password. And now we're logged into that account. So we can list the directory, ls-lht, and then we'll work our way into the web folder, www, and then using vi, we can add a new text file, robert.html. So we'll hit the I key to activate the insert mode. We'll say hello world, escape, colon, and then WQ to write and quit. And we can cat this file just to make sure it looks right. Okay, so it says hello world just like we typed, and if we control right arrow, we'll work our way back over to the Chrome browser, and looking for that IP address again, we can highlight it and say go to, right click, go to, and then looking at the directory listing, there's our file, robert.html, and that's the content, hello world.